We found out that the average person spends 2.5 hours a day in drama. 2.5 hours a day per head count. And we just measured time at work. 2.5 hours a day walking around going, this is sick and wrong. I wasn't consulted. This is no way to run an organization. This is absolutely ridiculous. I can't believe I've been asked to do X, Y, and Z. Judging, tattling, venting, scorekeeping. Anybody?
The wonderful Cy Wakeman is here.
Cy Wakeman!
Cy Wakeman.
It's how you react to those challenges in life that really make the difference, at least according to one person, Cy Wakeman.
See, leaders don't manage people, they manage energy. They manage energy away from why we can't to how we could. They unlock innovation. So I want you to be really thinking about how to get beyond your ego and get back in the part of your brain and self-reflection that opens up the best in you. Thank you.
See, everybody thinks circumstances are the reasons they can't succeed. Your circumstances are just the reality in which you must succeed. And guess what happens every day on the floor is we have some miscommunication about sections, make it happen anyway.
The ego has you believing stories like change is hard, but the reality is change is only hard for the unready. So a great example is a lot of people think their opinion will add value, but opinions are used to stop the action. It's your expertise that will add value.
I appreciate what you have to say so much. Not only have I been able to apply it to my work, but also to my children.
Doesn't it bring peace? It's just like a peaceful way to live. Oh, sweet. See, there's this place out beyond ego in all of our workplaces where we can do amazing work for humans and for our planet, but not if we stay on the path we're on. People call me all the time and they say, Cy, I want my team to be innovative, collaborative. I want teamwork. I want results. I want engagement. I want accountability. I tell you what, that's people's natural state once the drama's gone. You don't have to develop that for your people. You need to remove the drama. It's their authentic selves. It's already there. When David was carved by Michelangelo, it was such a sight to be seen that they asked Michelangelo, was it hard to carve David? And he simply said, no, I just removed everything that wasn't David. We have it all backwards, folks. You're working so hard to carve David, and all you have to do in HR and leadership is work to remove anything that isn't David, isn't these things that are happiness and success. My hope for you is that you discover what life is like without drama, because I guarantee you all the goals you have set for yourself are achievable when people are operating at a higher level of consciousness. Thank you.